front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top. If you can't see this toolbar, click on this icon at the top left corner to make it visible. If you can't see microphone, click on those three dots at the top right corner and look for it over here. Then hold it or click on it. If it still doesn't work, go into settings, tap on reach input and select this switcher next to voice typing to activate it. Now go back to your keyboard and use the same microphone icon. As you can see, voice typing is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same button. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. If you want to add your microphone to the toolbar, click on those three dots again, select Reorder Items at the bottom, then drag your voice typing option to the top, let go and hit Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!